Hello, hello. Hi, guys. Yeah, we finally got to the beach. Ah, it's so good. Hope you're all doing good wherever you are during this um, challenging time in Australia with COVID. COVID Mark 2, Mark 3, or Mark 4, depending which state you're in. But here in Victoria, we're back to um, almost COVID free. So anyhow, I hope things clear up for our friends up in Sydney and Darwin, and we can enjoy winter. It's currently 15 Celsius here in Melbourne, and we decided to come to the beach and take advantage of the full sun. Can you see the sun in my eyes? And the blue skies. It's just amazing. Check it out. It's amazing. Blue, blue, blue. Wow. Nice. There's a few clouds coming in from the right there, but hopefully they won't affect our experience here. Oh, there's a pedal boarder who just turned up. Nice. See, guys, even in the heart of winter, you can still have fun at the beach when it's sunny and there's no wind. Is Kim back there at our sun station? Oh my gosh, you won't believe how beautiful this looks. Check it out. Yeah. Unbelievable, huh? There's no one here again except the kid with his paddleboard and us. For reals. For real, guys. How beautiful is this? Yeah, 15, but it feels like, it feels like 15. But it's nice because there's no wind. And when there's no wind and pure sunshine, who cares if it's 15? Who cares if it's 10? Let's check out the water. Ooh. Nice, nice. Hey! Very nice. We're going against the grain. The grain is to put on your alpine ski jacket and prepare for the snow. See what I mean? So guys, that's what we're doing. It's wonderful. There's our little mate out there on his paddleboard. You better believe it. No worries, mate. Yep, we're almost naked, stark naked. We're going to be joining that guy out there shortly, but first we warm up with about an hour of suntan and coconut oil. No, we don't use sunscreens, commercial sunscreens. They're poisonous, full of poison. Are you kidding or what? Wow. It's like so fortunate to have all this. So lucky. Thank you very much. Brrr, it's cold, but nice. Right, Kim? And here's our lunch, guys, from the garden over at Fruitopia. Oranges and tamarillos. Kim was nice enough to pack it all.
There was a guava, but I ate it. The guavas.
Oh, you ate the guava?
The guavas are amazing. They are so sweet.
Mmm.
You gotta plant a guava tree.
And tamarillo.
What kind of guava tree was it that is so sweet now? Is that the Indian guava?
Indian white.
Oh, that was so good.
All right, guys. Catch us from our next stop. It's a bit of a surprise. Shall we tell them, Kim, or surprise them?
Surprise.
All right, guys. Get ready for our next video, which will be a little surprise. Thanks for watching, and see you then. Oh, we got little brats. Bye-bye now.